Hello everybody, how are you all? Welcome to Kripa's Love Work. So in today's video, you are going to see this pretty hairstyle right here. So without a further ado, let's jump into the video. And for that, you'll need some bobby pins, some hair elastic and a hair comb. I'm partitioning my hair on the side partition, but you can do whatever you feel doing like it. This hairstyle will look good with anything. So now I'm just taking the chunk of my hair from the front section. Like you can imagine a small square from the front area. And now I'm gonna just do my three-strand braid. And this is like pretty basic braid. Everybody knows it, I guess. And so while I'm doing this pretty simple basic braid, why don't you take a time and subscribe to my channel, because that means a lot to me. And also hit the bell icon right down there, because that's the only way you're gonna get notified whenever I post my videos. And now I'm done with my braid, and I'm just securing it with her hair elastic. So there you go. Okay, so now is the time for the trickiest part of the hairstyle. Actually, that is not that tricky. It's easy only. So you just have to take a piece or a strand of the hair from your crown area, and you have to pass strand of hair through your braid. And you for that you have to create a hole like I am doing it with my thumb. You can do it too, and just pass that hair from that hole, and yeah, there you go. And I know it is little bit dark because of the black background to see my hair, but yeah, I'll definitely improve next time. So yeah, I'm just gonna repeat the same process. So okay, you just have to repeat this process until you pass your all the hair from your crown area through the braid, and that's it. You're good to go. The Finnish hairstyle is so boho-ish, I feel. So you can definitely wear it on a beach, and wear tiara on that, and it will look absolutely stunning. But I personally love to wear this hairstyle with my traditional saris and lehengas, because I really love this kind of hairstyle on an Indian traditional attire. And after doing that, I'm just gonna secure my hair with a bobby pin or a tic tac pin. You can use whatever you want, and there you go, guys. It looks stunning. And my hair is so thin. If it looks good on me, if your hair is little bit thick, or maybe if you do a curl in your hair, imagine how good this hairstyle will look on you. So yeah, here is the finished waterfall braid. So now I'm going to repeat the same process for my other half of the partition. But if you feel you can just go ahead with the first half only. But basically, I'm literally obsessed with this waterfall braid, and hence I'm doing it on both the side. And I personally feel that both the side looks really very good when you have the whole crown waterfall effect. So yeah, I'm just repeating these things again. I'm just, passing my hair through my braid, and that's pretty much it. It's like really easy once you start doing it. And you just have to make sure that you only take the hair from the crown area, not the hair from the back, okay? So, yeah, I'm done. And don't forget to remove that hair elastic, okay? And then secure it. So if you like my video, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button, and also follow me on my Instagram. I post much more videos and photos over there, so I know you're gonna love that. Yeah, that's it guys. Bye. See ya.